So Samsung recently revealed the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. And we also know Google's first smartwatch, the Pixel Watch, and the Apple Watch 8 Pro are just about to be revealed in the next coming months. So Samsung will have to face a big competition. Now Samsung has improved a lot of things with these watches, like a better Samsung Health app or health platform, let's call it, a better build quality, better battery life, more customization options, faster charging, temperature sensor, and they're also talking about the sleep monitoring. But what if I say that you have to look deeper than that? According to Samsung, the temperature sensor is based on infrared technology and can work really well in a variety of conditions. So measuring the body temperature from the skin, that too from the wrist, needs a strong algorithm. And I hope that Samsung has figured things out. But one thing that we are not looking at all is the dimension. So let me say it, if you go to Samsung's website, the spec sheet says that Watch 5 weighs around 28.7 grams and has a dimension like this. The 45mm Watch 5 Pro weighs around 46.5 grams and the dimension look like this. You might be thinking like, oh, that's not a big deal. What if I tell you, in reality, that is not actually the case. The 40mm Watch 5 is actually 13mm thick, which is about 30% more than what Samsung is claiming. And what if I say the weight is also really different from what you are getting on the Samsung's website? The Pro model is actually not 10.5mm thick, it's rather 15mm thick. That is actually 50% larger than what Samsung is claiming. Now, if you don't know, Samsung is not only the one that is doing this thing. Apple is doing it, Garmin is doing it. So you probably be asking, then how they're actually measuring these things? Well, Apple and Garmin actually don't measure the sensor bump. What about Samsung? Well, Samsung actually doesn't even bother to measure the back of the watches too. Like, that is just stupid. I'm not saying Apple and Garmin are anything good, but these companies are doing it. Now the sensor portion somehow disappears in the skin, but still, it's not good that they're kind of lying. They should just say with the sensor bump, they should give the measurement too. They're not saying it. That's the problem. And on top of that, they're measuring the only body of the watch, not even the strap. So if you are thinking of a watch, then definitely you will wear the watch. And how would you wear that without a strap? So in your hand, you're gonna feel the whole weight of the strap and the watch. And Samsung and Apple are skipping on that. That's actually bad. And one YouTuber, I will link down below his videos, she has done it. And more specifically, the Galaxy Watch Pro is actually a chunky boy. So tell me, if you are buying the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, are you gonna wear it in the night for the sleep tracking feature? I mean, I know already this is a feature that not everyone wanna use it, even I wouldn't, but there are a lot of people who might just wanna do it. So in those cases, how it will be useful for you? Like even if the sleep tracking, the contact surface area is bigger in the Samsung latest Galaxy watches, which is a good thing. The skin temperature is there, which is another good thing. And on top of that, the sensors are quite a bit accurate. I'm liking every one of these things. But what about the dimension? It's gonna be a thick, bulky watch. So how are you gonna wear this thing in the night? It will be really uncomfortable. Of that, this watch is actually beautiful, made beautifully, premium materials, good. But this is an insanely costly watch. And one of the feature is something that you can't even use just because of the dimension. And that too, Samsung isn't actually saying about it properly. So that actually kind of makes me a little sad. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you really care, or you probably be like, I don't even track my sleep. So this feature doesn't really make sense. And just before the outro, if you want to check out some of the coolest wallpapers on the market, then definitely click the link in the description below, or just simply visit my website joindavid.com, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news and stuffs that matter. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.